So we have worked with flyers, posters, and logos. Now we should try to have what? A banner. So again, you come here. I think we have seen roll-up banners in different meetings and conferences. And also when we are talking about banners, we have seen banners in highways. So this training that we are getting, it is not that always you'll be designing something for yourself. This time you should be able even to tell people that you can design something for them. Okay? So we are going to say portrait banner for soft drinks company, for example. So we say the portrait. You can also just say something that you want to design, but in landscape. And yeah, these are some of the posters that you see in the roll-up posters that you see in conferences. So this time you should be able to design something even for your companies. Okay. So you can always replace the pictures, but if the pictures are also good for you to just to put in your banner, then you can just keep them. So let's say we want to use this one. And as I said, you might click this one, but then when you scroll down, you find something better than that one. You're also free just to use it like this. You might find something better than the first poster. But in our case, anyway, we're going to use still the same poster that we wanted to use in the first place. So this is the poster the banner that I want us to work with. And then only, you can say 25K. Here. Here we write list of success. Okay. Okay, so this is something that we have designed, and you might also be interested to put some other things just to add to this one. Let's say, what do we want to add? Strawberries or oranges. You go to elements and you say you want orange slices. And we search for orange slices, and we see that there are different pictures that are coming. Okay. So let's say we are interested in this one. We'll click and we just reduce the size and we drag it to somewhere where it will make sense. So you don't just add. If we put it here, it will be like that. And then you can click it and copy, paste, like this. So this is a roll-up banner. when you're going to print it, then you just go with it where you can print, and then they give you the other materials so that whenever you have meetings, you can just roll it up. Okay. Yes. So you go to share, download, PNG, and then to start downloading. So I'm going to share this as well in our WhatsApp group so you can see what we have designed for tonight. Okay. So we'll take this one and this one. So I've shared in the WhatsApp groups our designs. Okay. Okay. Questions? We have worked
Hi,
with
good evening.
banners, logos.
So I still have my initial question
Yes.
being, is this the website canva.com/templates, where to get all these templates? Because I missed the first part. So I just want to know where to start from before I go to the elements and so forth. Kindly guide,
So
please.
you are in that WhatsApp group, right?
Yes.
Yeah. I'll just put the link there. Yes, it is canva.com. And then when you before you start working with it, you need to sign up. You need to have an account with the Canva, and then you can always design whatever you design today. You can download it any day, even next year. They will remain your products. If you go to projects here, if we go to projects, whatever I've been designing, I'm going to see them here, and then I can download it, and I can even change it. I can change them again each time I want to use. Whatever you see, like today we have worked with this one, this one, this one, and this one. And then before that, I have also other things that I've been designing all along. So first you go to canva.com, you sign up, and then you can always visit your account now and again just to take what you have been designing.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay.